Hello guys, we arrived to Shannon Airport. Okay, hello guys, we arrived to very famous place in Ireland, and this is so nice weather. You know, it's incredible nice, but you can see very beautiful ocean.
Bread, you dip it into the salt, and the bad spirits go away, and all your dreams come true.
You all have been warned. Now, my noble guests.
My lords and ladies, welcome all.
First she washed them, then she dried them o'er a fire of amber coal. In all my life I ne'er did see a maid so neat about the soul. What for the tooraloo-ra-la-dee, what for the tooraloo-ra-la-dee.